Hey there, barbecue enthusiasts and food history buffs! Welcome to a journey through time and taste, where we'll explore one of the most beloved dishes in American cuisine, barbecue ribs. More than just a delicious meal, ribs are a savory testament to history, culture, and community, with a story that spans continents and centuries. Our story begins not in a bustling American city, but in the lush landscapes of the Caribbean and the Americas. Long before barbecue became a backyard staple, indigenous peoples were perfecting the art of slow-cooking meat over fire. They developed techniques like pit cooking and smoking, which allowed tougher cuts of meat to become tender and flavorful. One of the most significant contributions was the barbacoa method, a slow roasting process over an open fire, often involving a wooden framework. This was more than just a way to cook, it was a way of life, a communal event that brought tribes together. These indigenous methods were soon adopted and adapted by early European settlers. As pork became a more common livestock, pork ribs, often considered a less desirable cut, were transformed into a delectable meal through these slow cooking techniques. The art of barbecue as we know it today was profoundly shaped by African American pitmasters in the American South. Enslaved people, often tasked with preparing food for plantation owners, brought their own culinary traditions and expertise to the table. They mastered the intricate balance of smoke, seasoning, and fire, elevating barbecue from a simple cooking method to an art form. Their influence is the very foundation of Southern barbecue traditions, and their legacy lives on in every tender, smoky rib. As barbecue traditions spread across the United States, they began to evolve, influenced by local ingredients, flavors, and cultural preferences. This led to the creation of distinct regional styles, each with its own unique identity. Today, barbecue ribs have transcended their regional roots to become a national and even global sensation. They are the star of countless backyard cookouts, the main event at competitive barbecue events, and a highlight of food festivals around the world. You'll find them in award-winning restaurants, on the menus of casual diners, and even on popular televised cooking shows. The smell of wood smoke, the taste of a perfectly tender rib, and the joy of sharing a meal with friends and family have made barbecue ribs a symbol of comfort and celebration. So whether you're a fan of a sleek Kansas City glaze or a fiery Memphis dry rub, remember that with every bite, you're tasting a piece of history. So which barbecue rib style is your favorite? And do you have a memorable barbecue story? Share it below. I'd love to hear your experiences.